Welcome. In front of me is a Sony Xperia 10 Mark IV, and today I'll show you how you can insert SIM and SD card into this phone. Now for this you don't need any kind of tool or anything. It is actually quite nice. So all you need to do is just using your fingernail, pry this little tray out, which as you can see it comes out relatively easily. And on the tray you have space for a SIM card and either another SIM card or SD card. So I'm gonna use one of each. So here I'm just gonna place my SD card, and next to it I'm gonna place a SIM. Now make sure that the cards are laying flush on the tray, as you can see, and they shouldn't fall out of the tray if you flip it over. So from there you can insert it back into your phone. And it looks like the cards start to work immediately, which is actually a nice change. Before, you need to reboot your device, but it looks like that is no longer the case. So I just confirmed my SIM pin, which means that the SIM card is already working, and I can see SD card is working as well, because it gave me this pop-up right here as SD card, tap to setup. So as you can see, both of them are working just fine. And that is how you can insert your SIM and SD card into this phone. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.